Hello and welcome back to a new session on mathematics. Today we'll be talking about exponents and powers. This is an important concept not just for your exam point of view, but even for the higher grades. It's a important topic, and there's a beautiful story which is available on YouTube. I want you all to go and look for story on exponents and powers, and you can why am I insisting on it is because it has got the kind you will be in awe how much this concept has the depth of this concept, the kind of I'm short of words actually. It's a beautiful story. You must see. It's a must see. Okay, and now let's get started and see what do you have for your grade. All right, so let's get started with exponents, and let's understand them. But before understanding this, I would, after this class, I want you go back, right? You know what you need to do. Okay, now moving on with the concept today. What is meant by exponents? For that, let's understand the basic concept of multiplication. So what is multiplication? You repeatedly added a number, right? So repeated addition is what? Multiplication. Similarly, repeated subtraction is division, which I do not want here. Okay, so I have to repeatedly multiply a particular number. Then what do you call? Repeated addition is multiplication, repeated subtraction is division. But what is repeated multiplication of a one numbers or same number, right? Then what you get here is called as the exponent. So what do you do here? See, if you repeatedly multiply, in this particular example, I'm multiplying 2. But how many times? I am multiplying it 3 times. So what do? The number which is being repeated is written as it is, and on its head, on towards the side, or should I say towards its right, I write the number of times it has been multiplied. So this 3 is called as exponent and 2 is called the base. Remember, it is also called as exponent. It is also called the power. Then what is it? Exponents and powers. If both mean the same, why is it written twice? That's the story there. Okay, power or index or even indices. Plural form of index is indices. So let's see further. So that is what it indicates. Then, so if I'm multiplying 3 times 2, so I'm multiplying what? 3 times. What am I multiplying 3 times? It is 2. So you write 2 into 2 into 2. This is how you indicate it through words, right? Remember, write the write in words, right? So when you had this in the lower grade, you used to write, if it was 101, ONEHUNDRED right? 101. That is how you used to write, or just 101, right? So this is the exponential way where you write it in words. So 5 times 2, what does it mean? 5 times, but what is it 5 times? It is 2 here, right? So you write it this way. So n times 2 would be 2 into 2 into 2 into, and you can go on and indicate in between the two numbers by 3 dots to give you 2 to the power of n. So in general, I can write this. So this was in numbers. What if, can I do this in the algebra as well? Yes, definitely. 3 times x means x into x into x. That is x to the power of 3. 5 times y means what? 5 times of y. Y into y into y, 5 times. Similarly, m times x means x, how many times? M times. And how much is that? You do not know. So how do you write? X to the power of m. Okay. Now, here the t should have been here. Okay. No worries. Now, exponent form is this, wherein you indicate you write the base and then the power. So, and expanded form is wherever you are writing in the multiplication form, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 4 times. And if they have asked you to identify the base, that is 5, and your index is 4, not 5. It has to be 4. And the number is, when you multiply this, 5 into 5, 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. So this is the numerical form of the given exponent. So m to the power of 6, again 6 times m, base is m, index is 6, and you write m power 6. Since it's in algebraic term, the number will also remain m power 6 only. And 10 to the power of 3 means 10 3 times, and base here is 10 and index is 3. And when you multiply, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. And what if it is fraction, can't you express? Why not? Why not? So let's express that. So half into half into half into half 5 times. Here your base is half and index is 5. And you multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. And your numerator is as it is. Why is it as it is? Because it's 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So you write 1 by 32. Now, let's understand few wordings, what they actually mean while we are solving questions. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3 whole power 5? Reciprocal means what? You have to invert the number. So how do you invert? This is the number given to you. Okay, you have to write the reciprocal of this. That becomes 3 power 2. Remember, this doesn't get inverted. The number itself gets inverted. So it is 3 power 2. So in the expanded form, it would be 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 5 times, right? Into 3 by 2. And how much is that? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 81 3s are 3 1s are 3, 8 3s are 24, 243 by 32. Correct? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So this is your answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Find the value of 4 power 4. So 4 power 4 is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So you multiply. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16, 256. How do you multiply? Choice is yours. You multiply 4 into 4 and then you can go and multiply with 4. 16 into 4 and then, right? Then with 4, but it's okay, the choice is yours how you want to do it. Okay, let's see the next question. Express in exponential form 5 into a into 5. So first I have 5, so let me write how many 5s do I have. I have 2 5s. So 5 power 2 into a, how many times do I have? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 power 2 and a power 5. Correct? Did we miss something? 3, 5. No. So this is the exponential form of the given question. I hope this is clear. So or I simply write this as 5 square a power 5, or I could also write this as 20. No, since they have asked us exponential form, no. This will not be the exponential form, right? This is not 25. This is the product, so no, this is not. So this is your answer. Okay, express 3600 as product of primes. So basically what I have to find the factors of that. So how do I do that? So 3600 is the number given to me. Let's start. So since it's an even number, starting with the simplest prime, that is 2. 2 1s are correct, then 1800, again 2, 900, again 2, 3s are 6 and 5. Oh no, 2 4s are 8 and 450. Again prime. 2 2, 5. Now it is ending by 5, so I have to go for 5. Then it would be 5 fours are 20, 45. 5 and 9. Now it is 9, so it would be 3 and 3. So let's write this. So 3600 is equal to 2 into 2. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's, right? 2 into 2, and then I have 5's, and then 3 into 3. So when they ask you to write the product of primes, this is what is expected of you. This is the product, right? You have written it in the form of, you have used prime numbers to find its factors, right? And basically you have found factors in terms of prime numbers and done this. So yep, this is your answer. Let's see the next. Which is greater, 9 power 2 or 2 power 9? So how do we know which is greater here? Yes. What is 9 into 2? 9. It is 81, right? 9 into 9 is 81. Whereas 2 power 9, which is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's? 2 into 2 into 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let's multiply now. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, 32 2's are 64, 64 2's how much? 128, and this is 4. So obviously the number is much bigger, right? So which do you think is greater? It is 2 power 9 is greater. So here you can go ahead and multiply to give the answer, right? So it would be 4 8's are 32, 3 carry up, 4 2's are 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 4 1's are 4, 5, 1, 2. So basically they are not asking you to find the answers. They are just asking you to identify. But how would you identify? Obviously this way. Okay. So yeah, let's see the next question. Express the following as a product of prime factors only in the exponential form. So first thing is, you have to express them in terms of prime factors, product of prime factors, and then convert them into exponential form. So let's find the prime factors of 108 and 192. So let's do that. 2, 5, 4, 2, 2, 27, then 3, 9's are 3 and 3. So then for 192, it would be 2, 2 9's are 18, 96. Again 2, 2 4's are 8, 48. 2, 24. 2, 12. 2, 6, 2 and 3. So let's do this. See here, they've asked you to see, it is 108 into 192. So what would you do? Let's count this 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into, let me write it down, okay? Let's write so that it comes in one line. 108 into 192 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and then into, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 2's I have. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 5 and 6, and then there's 1 3. So into 3. Now what do you do is just simply count the number of 2's. 2, and here you have 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So you write, count the number of 2's. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 to the power of 8 into, how many 3's? 1 2 3 4. So 3 to the power of 4. So this is your answer. I hope you have followed this. So let's move to the next question. Find the number from the following expanded form. So you have to find the number. So what is given? 9 into 10 to the power of 5. So that means what? 9 into 1, 2, let's write the zeros, 3, 4 and 5, plus 2 into 100, right? or should we write it this way? Okay, let's do it step by step. 9 into 10 into 10 into 10, 5 times, right? 3, 4 and 5 plus 2 into 10 into 10 plus 3 into 10. Okay, so let's multiply all this. That would be 9 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 plus 2 into 1 plus 3. This is 30. So that would be 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 plus 200 plus 30. So let's add them up. So if I do the addition here, it would be 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 230. So let's add them up. So 0, 3, 2 and 900. So this is your number, 900,230. That is or 9 lakh and 230 is your number. I hope you would have followed this. Alright, let's see the next. Divide 6561 by 10,000 and express the result in exponential form. So let's see this, how it goes about. So I have to divide what? 6561 divided by 10,000. Do not start to divide instantaneously. So this can be written as 6561 by 10,000. Correct? Now let's find the prime factors of it. Okay? Doing that. So factors of 6561 would be 3, since it's ending with 1. So obviously it has to be divisible by an odd number. So 3. So it would be 2187. And then again 3. It would be 729. And then again 3, 2, 4 and 3. Again it is 3. And it would be 8 and 1. Again it is 3. It is 2 and 7. 3, 9, 3 and 3. So this, when I count them, it is, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 3 power 8. So similarly for 10, let's do it for 10,000 as well. So if I'm doing for 10,000 also, so let's do it here. Let's change the ink. So 10,000. So 10,000 again. Let's do it with 10. It would be 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So again 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 10. Now you would be wondering, ma'am, 10 is not a prime number. Yeah, I do understand. It is not a prime number, but it's okay. Okay. So 10 to the power of 4. Then what? Or I can go ahead and do it with 2 and 5 and do that. But it's okay. Absolutely okay. So yeah. So this is your final answer. Or I could go ahead and, if you are so particular about prime factors, it would be 2 to the power of 4 and 5 to the power of 4. How? You can go ahead and do this same line. Then what happens is it becomes a long thing. Right? So yeah, choice is yours. You can do it here because they have not mentioned prime numbers or prime factors here. So it's okay. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Simplify 5 by 3 whole power 3 into 9 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 9. So this can be written as 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 9 into 9 into 2 by 9. So I can simplify this. How do I simplify? Is 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. No, let's this be as it is. 9 ones are 9 ones are. So what is left? 3 alone is left. Can I simplify it? No. Let's multiply it. So it would be 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay, this part into 2 is left here, 2, and in the denominator I have 3. So the number is 250 by 3. Now you can go ahead and express this number in terms of mixed fraction or in terms of decimal number, doesn't matter. So but yeah, any which ways, this is the final answer. Let's see the next question. Minus 1 by 8 whole to the power of 4 into 128 by 5 whole to the power of 2. Listen to me how I am reading the numbers. Minus 125, 4 whole power, nothing is given, that means it is 1. So this, let's write it in the expanded form. So this would be minus 1 by 8 into 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 128 by 5 into 128 by 5 into minus 125 by 4. Okay, so let's divide. 8 ones are, this is 16 times, 8 ones are, this is 2 times, 8 ones are, 16 times, 8 ones are, this will be 2 times. So 5 ones are, this is 25 times, this ones are, this would be 5 times. So it would be how much? Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, and then I have what? 2 into 5 by 4. So again 4 2s are, 1s are, 2 1s are, and this is 1s are. This answer would be minus 5 is your answer. Please pay attention to the calculation, and if you're using this cancellation property, go ahead and do it. If you're not comfortable, take I would not suggest you to multiply everything and divide. Why am I saying that? Is because I have few tips, I would say. No, they are laws. Actually, they are the laws which help you in simplifying this complicated problem, which we'll be learning very soon now. Okay, let's see the next. Oh, challenge question. Mass of Mars is given and mass of the Sun is given. Who do you think is heavier? So find that out. I've given the values as well. Find it out and see who is more heavier now. Okay, let's see. Okay, now half 1 by 2 whole to the power of 3 minus 1 by 3 whole to the power of 2 into 3 by 5 whole power 2 into minus 2 by 3 whole power 3. So again, let's use the Bodmer's rule. So under the brackets, half into half into half. So order is coming here. So 1 by 3. Remember here minus is not under the bracket, so I'll write it only once. So into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, and I will also use the expand the brackets here. So 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 3 into, here minus is under the bracket, so I'm writing it 3 times. Okay, now let's simplify the brackets first. So it is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 3 3s are, oh, this is only 2 times. Right. Okay, no worries. 1 by 9 into, I will write the remaining as it is. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. If I use cross multiplication method, it would be 9 minus 8 by 8 into 9, that is 72 into 3 by 5, 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 by 72 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into let's eliminate too many minus. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus, which I will write here. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So okay, now cancellation. Okay, 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are, and then 72 I have. Let's simplify this. It would be okay, can I simplify the 5? $25, and this is 2 ones are this would be 36 times. 2 ones are, this would be 18 times. 2 ones are, and this is 9 times. So your answer would be negative 1 by 9. Let me go back. Okay, into 25 into 3. 1 by 25 into 3. So if you multiply this, it would be how much? 25 threes is 75. 9 into 1 by 75, and let's multiply this. That is negative 1 by 9 fives are 45. 4 carry up. 7 nines are 63 plus 4 675. Clear? So this is your answer. Okay. Now this brings me to the end of that thing. You would have felt, oh God, this is so difficult. Let's make it easier by introducing you to the laws. Now, okay, this is our first law, which is called as multiplication rule. So you are constantly multiplying, right? We have seen that we are multiplying. So for example, 3 power 5 into 3 power 2. So what do? You wrote in the expanded form. Then you count the number of times you have written. How many times did you write? 7 times. So you wrote first 5 times and then 2 times. It is as good as counting them, just adding them. What should I add? 5 plus 2. So that gives me 3 to the power of 7. I do not have to expand it at all. If the bases are same, I can simply add the powers. So that would be as good as 3 power 7. So this brings me to the first law of exponents, that is the multiplication rule. You are free to write this in this form or the way it is written here. Both are one and the same. Okay, what is important here is the bases have to be same. That is most important. So this is your first rule. Okay, let's see the next rule. This is called as the division rule. Wherever there is involvement of division, so we use this rule. So say for example, I'm dividing these two numbers. So again observe, the bases are same. Powers need not be same. So the bases are same. So I divide. Now how do I divide? See here 5 and I have here 2. So I can simply say cancel. 2 ones are 1s are 2 ones are 2 ones are. How many 2s am I left with? 3 times. So your answer is 2 power 3. Instead of doing that, can I just not subtract 5 minus 2 like this to give me 2 power 3? Simple, isn't it? So that brings me to the next law, that is division rule. You can either use the form of x, or as it in some of the textbook it is written as a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m by a power n, which is equal to a power m minus n. So this is your answer. So choice is yours, which you want to do, this or this. Both are the same. Let's see the next. Zero exponents. What is meant by zero exponents? In zero exponents, let's understand that. What is it? So you're dividing here. So when you divide, we are using the second law that we have just learned. So 2 by 3, 2 power 3 divided by 2 power 3. So we are dividing. So let's use the rule that we have just learned. It would be 3 minus 3. So it is nothing but 2 power 0. And what is the value of this? Anything to the power of 0. What does that? Is it 0? No. I have said it is 1. But why is it 1? To understand that, let's expand. So when I'm expanding, 2 ones are, 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 2 ones are. So now you multiply all this. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay, in the denominator, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Basically, you will get 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So, anything to the power of 0 is 1 only. Or I can write this as, okay, moving to the next. Okay, now 5 to the power of 2. This is called as power of power rules. Okay, here what do you do in the power of power rules? You have 2 powers here, so it is double powerful. So what do you do is, let's understand it step by step. So what do? I have this 3, so let's expand that. Let's take care of that first. So 5 power 2, I will write it 3 times. Now under this brackets again, I have 5 power 2. So let's expand that now. So 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 5 into 5. But as you all notice it, I can, now it is in the everything. If I just eliminate the brackets, it is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How many 5s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I can write 5 power 6. Instead of doing all this, if I simply multiply the power of power, 2 into 3, right? What is the product of 5? 2 into 3 is same as 5 power 6, isn't it? So this brings me to the next rule. Either you can write this as a power m, okay, whole power n is equal to a power mn. M into n is same as mn. Clear? Let's see the next. This is called as power of product rule. What do you do here is, the bases are different, okay? They are not same, right? You have 2 different bases. One is 2 and one is 5. And both are raised to the same power 3. So what do? Let's understand through the simple steps. Let's go back and do the same steps what we did. So 2 into 5, how many times should I write? 3 times. 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. Now I will group all the 2's together, right? And 5's together. So how many 2's do I have? 3. How many 5's do I have? 3. So I can write this as 2 power 3 into 5 power 3, which is as good as writing a into b whole power 3 is equal to a power 3 into b power 3. Here the bases are different but the power is same. So you have to remember, either the bases should be same or the power should be same to apply this laws. Clear? Let's see the next. Okay, now moving on to this one. So it is what? 2 divided by 5. Again, the powers are different but the bases are different but the power is same. On the same lines, so this would be 2 power 3 by 5 power 3. Again, I can write this as a divided by b whole power m is same as a by b whole power m, which is equal to a power m by b power m. Clear? All right. Now, this brings me to the end of that laws. So here I have all the laws together for you. So let's quickly summarize these laws. In terms of x is already given here. Let me convert this in terms of a. Whichever you use in your classroom, you can adapt the same. But it is totally free because they all are variables only here. So let's start here. And by the way, these are important rules that you need to remember. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. And what do you call this law? You call this law as power of product rule. Here a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m by a power n, and this is equal to a power m minus n. This is called as power of division rule. Next, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. This is called power of power rule. And you don't have to remember the names that I'm using, but yes, this you have to remember. A into b whole power m. Power of product rule again. So a power m into b power m. Okay, then a divided by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m, or I can write a by b whole power m, and the last one, the zero of exponents, is equal to 1. Alright, I hope you have followed this, and I will conclude my class today here. I'll see you next time with solving of these questions, and till then keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.